Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 13. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release your finger and you no longer need to hold the phone. It's that simple. It's quick, simple, easy. Probably the easiest method you'll find on the internet. There you guys go, you can let go. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. And there you guys go.